Yeah, g'day guys. Welcome to my review of Polaris and also my exclusive, never done before, where I'm going to give those that pick up Polaris through me. You're going to get beta access to Method X, which comes out on October 30th. So just listen up really close to this video and I'll explain my full bonuses for you. And we'll be able to go further into that in a second. So I'm just going to quickly show you that I'm inside the members area here of Polaris. It's a new release by John Armstrong that comes out tomorrow at I believe 9 AM Eastern time. So 9 AM Eastern time on October 20th, 2020, and it will be available. My bonuses and Polaris will be available for to secure those when you purchase Polaris. So guys, we're just quickly inside here. This Polaris is an offer or a software where you'll be able to generate commissions through ClickBank. It's a very much done for you funnel system where Jono's really been able to pick apart all the other software's been released. He's been able to tidy up the loose ends and put this into Polaris into a seamless sort of software. So obviously they go through the categories of affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing. There's also marketing resources. It's got an email sequence, so it's got an inbuilt autoresponder for you, so you don't have to worry about that. It's an all-in-one system. You'll also have funnels as well. So obviously here you'll be able to jump in here, marketing funnels and templates. We're just going to go in here, look at the funnels really quick, guys. So all these funnels here are tailored to specific products that you can find on ClickBank. So you'll be able to, for example, Commission Hero, ClickBank University. These are high ticket ones where you'll be able to just plug and play and go for it. And also they've got inbuilt traffic and sales as well. So guys, you'll be able to start generating commissions straight away. Now I'm just going to jump over into my bonuses where I'm going to show you what's available right now. So if you're on YouTube, please go into the description box to purchase the link to come to this page. Not purchase the link, to click the link to come to this page, and then you'll be able to click here and it will take you to the sales page once it is released. And you'll be able to go down here. So biggest bonus is I'm going to give you Method X, a beta to the front end membership area. Method X is a great new method to be able to drive targeted traffic, buyer traffic. It's not a software, it's a dead set method that we've tested and tried ourselves, and you guys will get access to that. It's highly converting, it converts to sales, and it works. So you'll be able to get access to that. I'm going to give you Infusion plus all upgrades, so I'm leaving nothing on the table. I'm literally giving you everything right now. So Infusion and all upgrades. You're going to get Phoenix and all upgrades. You're going to get the Breakout code and all upgrades. So guys, you're going to get basically a shit ton of stuff here that I've really wanted a ton of value, which I think will further complement what you're going to get out of Polaris. And I'm going to also throw in some vendor bonuses, which Jono was part of Jono. And so you'll be able to get bang bang profits, which is also some more done for you campaigns where you get the most out of Polaris. So you'll be able to use the funnel builder inside Polaris and be able to build these pages there as well. So you'll be able to just copy them. You'll get a copy of Rake 'em, which is a great info product that shows you a backdoor strategy to rake in some easy commissions. It's a great product, very easy to follow. And also I'm going to throw in from 0 to 124 hours. It's a great startup strategy to start being able to make $100 within the next 24 hours pretty much. Jono actually goes through it and shows you the method on how to do that. So that's another vendor bonus right there. Now guys, you will have to purchase Polaris strictly through my link before 11:59 on October 20th. Sometimes I may extend it, I may not. I may extend it to the second day, I may not. So you're just better off just to grab the copy, get in there, and this is all available on the front end too, guys. So you just have to pick up your copy of Polaris on the front end. If you want to pick up anything in the funnel, you're more than welcome to. I'm just going to go through the funnel details right here. So it's $17 for Polaris Basic. You get the 20 complete done for you funnels into ClickBank niches. and you'll be able to use that, and consists of email sequences for mailing subscribers. It works with both Google and Facebook ads and social media. So it's pretty good value just there for $17, guys. On the upsell one is the Pro Edition. So it's got 40 complete done for you funnels, click back niches, and it's got 17 best converting products as well. So and then you'll also get access to the Traffic and Sales Academy, which is advanced Facebook, Google, and SolarWaves traffic training by Rash Finn. Now, Rash Finn is a retargeting guru. Mark Barrett and I, we use him on our what do you call it? Our launches, and he's nearly retargeted over 100 additional sales on our launches at a minimum price. So this guy really knows his stuff. It's like penny sales on a penny click, and you really benefit out of what Rushfin has to offer there. Now, $97 on the done for you campaigns. So you'll be able to add high ticket products. So you'll be able to generate from $50 to $1,000 commissions using that, and you'll get the campaigns done for you very easy. You also get a done for you high ticket funnel, which you'll be able to promote Jono's products as well. You'll get front end access to all his 2020 products, Vanquish, and all future releases. So you're going to get all those, and you're also going to get a bump on 100% commissions through the funnel when you promote any of his products. So you're not only getting the license rights through my bonuses, you're getting more license rights and whatnot through Jono's here as well. And also $197 reseller bundle license. So you'll be able to get reseller and developer rights to Urgency, Gemini, which are all very high converting products, and dual rights. So essentially their own turnkey digital business and make product vendor profits and whatnot, guys. So definitely worthwhile taking into consideration these bonuses with Jono, and yeah, guys, it's definitely worthwhile. So literally, if you pick up Polaris on the $17 on the front end, you're going to get Method X on the beta, you're going to get Infusion plus all upgrades, you're going to get Phoenix and all upgrades, you're going to get the Breakout code and all upgrades, and you're going to get all these vendor bonuses as well, guys. So I'm leaving literally nothing on the table here, and I fully recommend you guys jump on, grab Polaris. It's a great, easy to use system. As you can see, you got your own autoresponder, inbuilt funnel. Everything's so simple, just to click in, get around, maneuver, and yeah, guys, definitely you're getting so much value. So you've got enough in your arsenal when you pick up Polaris. You got so much here on top of if you choose any of the upgrades, and on top any of the bonuses that I've thrown in as well, guys. So Infusion is a great complement to this, because Infusion is based on high ticket. So you'll be able to utilize these products here for your own personal benefit with using Polaris. So it's a great way to do that. Anyway, guys, thanks very much. That's my review. Jump on Polaris. Your bonuses, if you do choose to purchase through my link, your bonuses will be available through your product access. And just below where you access the purchase, there'll be a blue button there called affiliate bonus, and you'll be able to access those there. Alright, guys, don't forget Method X coming to you October 30th. You'll get complimentary access when you pick up Polaris through my link today. Alright, guys, thanks very much. Alright, bye.